Hey, Follow-Up family. Today I'm going to talk about a new feature to customize your project ID. To get to this area, you have to click on your company settings, project data, and then here at the bottom you have custom project ID. This allows you to tailor the ID of a project to whatever internal ID convention that you might use at your company. Here is a way you can customize these IDs. Let's say you want to start off with the year 2022. You can say sequential, or you can start from another number, 2021. But we're just going to do sequential. And let's say we only want 2022, and then we want a system generated number starting from 001, and separated by a space or a dash, or nothing at all. So we're going to do separated by a dash. So we're going to say, I want to start this from 0. And then once my project ID has been updated, every project created will have this naming convention moving forward. So the first project I create will be 2022-0. The second project I create will be 2022-1, and so on and so forth. You can customize these by dragging and dropping. So if I want the system generated number to be first, I can drag that to the top and customize this and add the year, the month, the day, or just have it be system generated. There's a lots of ways you can customize this project ID number to fit how you name projects at your company. Happy selling.